This time I've come to share a challenge that I have set for myself, a reading challenge. I had said something like this 2 years back when I had chosen huge books from my collection which I had not read and tried to get through it. I was slightly unsuccessful because I didn't read everything. So last year I did not repeat it. This year again I'm slowly getting this urge to do something like that. 2 months are almost down, so I have chosen 10 books and I have decided that I will finish one book in 1 month. So I have assigned a particular month to a particular book. So let's start. Let me show you. See, this is the file. So let me start. I'm very excited to share this with you guys. So in March, I thought I'll read Aranyak by Bibhuti Bhushan Bandyopadhyay. He's an author who writes really well in Bengali, and he has written Pather Panchali, then Apur Sansar. So I started reading this a long time back, but then I couldn't continue with it. But this time I'll persevere and I'm going to finish this. This is one of Amma's favorite books. So then I think I'll give this a try in March. So in April, we have this book, A Passage North by Anuk Arut Pragasam, who is an acclaimed Sri Lankan writer. He writes very beautifully about Sri Lanka, life in Sri Lanka. So I've been wanting to read this for a long time. This April, I shall be reading this. So March, April, May. May is for City of Incidents by Annie Zaidi. Annie Zaidi is another writer who writes so beautifully. And this is a small book, so March, April, May. I think May I will definitely finish this. And in June, it'll be John Updike and his collection of short stories, My Father's Tears and Other Stories. This is another book which I had started reading long back, years back, okay, but somehow never got further than the first few pages. But this year, definitely, I will be reading this. June is for John Updike. Huh? July is for this book in Malayalam. It is Ende Hridayatinte Udama by Perimbadavam. And this is Amma's recommendation, and she's asked me to read this, so I shall. Not that I listen to everything she says, but this I shall. So July is for Ende Hridayatinte Udama. August, Cormac McCarthy, another doyen of literature. With this book is All the Pretty Horses, okay? And he's written this amazing book called The Road, which I haven't read. So I want to read this, and this will be the book for August. September, my birthday month. My God. But Dennis Lehane is another favorite author. His book, Mystic River, is so good. I mean, the film is also fantastic. So, this book is The Given Day by Dennis Lehane. Look at this. I've been really intimidated by the size, but this September I shall attempt to read this. And then comes October. Okay, let me just move this to the side, otherwise I won't be able to see you. And then comes October with Hunter Thompson and Fear and Loathing in Las Vegas. This is a recommendation from my brother. So October will be for Hunter Thompson and Fear and Loathing in Las Vegas. November, Istanbul by Orhan Pamuk. Okay, he's a writer I really love, and Istanbul is a place I really want to go. So I should, but the writing is so small. I really don't know whether I'll be finishing it, but I hope to. So November is for Istanbul. December. I hope I would have finished all these books by December, because in December I'm going to read this short story collection by Saadat Hasan Manto. It's called Selected Stories. Okay, nothing fancy. Selected Stories of Saadat Hasan Manto. I love the cover. So, my dear friends, these are the 10 books that I will be reading this year. Now, if you want to set some challenges for yourself, just go ahead and do it. And like, you're not accountable to anybody. You don't have to compare to anybody. And it really keeps life a bit exciting and something to look forward to. So go ahead, set some challenges for yourself, whether it's in reading or in any other activity in your life. And till we meet again for the next video, you guys stay safe, take care, keep reading. Bye-bye.